Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock here. Gonna give it a shot too. It's a number 2. I gotta watch that light shine off of it. It's by Hampus, Gustausson. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, it's because I ain't brilliant enough to figure it out. So we're gonna give this little booger a try. I'm gonna go on top of the keyway. Nope, it's too small. Ooh, that's even worse. So I guess we'll go with this one. Oh, looks like we can get away with going way down in. So we'll try that. I'm going to go to, it's going to be kind of hard here. Let me see. Go to the back. Try to get my hands out of the way so you can see what I'm trying to do here. Okay. Kind of awkward. Just going through and trying to find binders and trying to get around the warding. Okay, got a little one there. No. Okay, I got it. I just dropped into a false set right there. Okay, now we got to find what trips the trigger. That it? I don't know. I don't know if I'm turning it or it's counter itself. I don't know. I might have just, I know I lost my false set, but back and try to find it again. Oh, got it. That did it. Ooh, yeah, baby. Woohoo. That was a good one. Put up a heck of a fight, too. Let's see about getting this off. Oh. Well, we have a key. Let's go ahead and lock it back. Oh, that was just, yeah, it's off of there. It just didn't come off of there. Oh, get. Thank you. All right. Oh, you shouldn't have done that. Because then I got to unmummy the key and I didn't want to do that. Oh, well. Oh, y'all can't see. Golly, this thing. Oh, I'm going to have fun with that. Okay. Got the key in. Let's see about shimming this bad boy. All right. Let's run her on through. There we go. As you see, all the pins are populated. Ooh. Wow, I don't want to try to pull the key out with those pins. Ooh, these are some nice looking pins, guys. Okay. Wow. No. There it went. Whew. It was a little stiffy. You got threading in 1, 4. All right. And let's see. Get these arranged. Wow. Those are some vicious looking pins. All right. Let's run her on back. Ooh. Pin 1. I do the pins and then I'll do the springs. Pin 2. Pin 3. Being real careful, I don't want to mess this up. Because it's 7 pins in this thing. That's gone through my fingers there. Pin 4. Forward a little bit, I don't want to lose that follower. Pin 5. Okay. Pin 7. And pin 6. All right. Let's see about getting these springs out without messing up. This could be really tough to do. Okay, pin 1, spring 1. Spring 2. And I needed to get my other follower in there. The bigger one. They rush one follower. It's a bigger size. Wow, man, it just slops around in there pretty good. Man. That right here. I know, guys, this is kind of long. But I did it. I did it without messing it up really, really bad. I doubt anything's been done upstairs, but we'll take a look. Yeah, the Bible's clean. So yeah, that's the plug. And this is number 2 by Hampus, Gustausson. And let's take a look at these pins. I know it's a long video, guys, but look at these bad boys. Look at that. Wide serrations, kind of spoolish on the key pins. This little cool bomb. Nice spool. Look at that. Long spool. Wow. This one has a reduced diameter top. That's why it's upside down, but it that's reduced diameter, little bad boy. Yeah, these are awesome pins. So yeah, great job, man. Great job on that lock. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.